Hi there, my name is Damian Horne. I'm one of the product managers here at AJA FiDO Systems, and I'm here today to talk about the new DRM2-Plus. So the new DRM2-Plus holds up to 12 standard mini converters, it holds up to 24 small mini converters, and holds up to 6 of the next generation mini converters. It also has an increased power supply, and with those power options you can order this in either a single power supply version or redundant power with the 2 power supply units in it. And with the DRM2-Plus, you get 2 faceplate options. You got a passive faceplate over here with no fans in it, or we have an active faceplate here with the fans, and they both come with a new hinge on it that allows you to open it up and be able to remove your carrier in and out. The DRM2-Plus has a new carrier that's a little taller that now allows you to stack the 2 H5 size units, H5 Plus, Hi5 Plus, or V2Analog or V2Digital, in addition to the FiDOs you can stack there. It's got multiple mounting points, so you can attach from the sides, or if you're using a ROY type converter and you need to screw in from the bottom, you can do that as well. We've got some new cable accessories that you can use. We have a mini XLR to mini ConX for connecting the next gen converters. We have a mini ConX to barrel adapter for some third-party accessories. And you can order a harness with 6 mini XLR connectors for the next gen converters and then 1 connector for the fan. If you order the harness that has more of the mini XLR connectors on it, but you need to convert those over to a mini ConX, we have this adapter accessory cable. We also have a Y cable to double stack products as well. We've also extended the depth of the unit to allow room for third-party USB hubs. We've put in slots there for cable tie downs and making attachments. And this is the new DRM2-Plus. You can find out more info about it at aja.com.